Hi, in front of me is ALCATEL 1B 2022 and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down just a bit to access notifications. Then tap on Manage App Notifications and tap on the blue switcher next to one of your apps from which you want to block them. You can switch them back on by hitting the same now gray switcher. You can also tap on one of your apps available on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!